Hi everyone, welcome back to English Course with Aimen. Have you noticed that many job names in English sound the same at the end? That's because of something called suffixes, small word endings that help us make job titles. Today we'll learn about different suffixes that turn simple words into jobs. Don't forget to get the worksheet by scanning the QR code at the end of the video. Ready? Let's get started. Many job names end in ER, like the word teacher. Some jobs end in OR, such as doctor. You'll also find jobs that end in ANT, like accountant. Others end in IAN, for example, musician. And some job titles end in IST, like receptionist. These endings aren't random. They follow patterns. Let's explore them. We often add ER to a verb to make a job title. This means the person does the action of the verb. Examples: teach becomes teacher, a person who teaches. Paint becomes painter, a person who paints buildings or pictures. Drive becomes driver, a person who drives a car, a bus, or a taxi. But wait, not all the ER job names come from verbs. Some come from nouns. Let's look at this. Farm becomes farmer, a person who works on a farm. Engine becomes engineer, a person who works with engines. Let's talk about jobs ending in OR. Many of these do come from verbs. For example, act becomes actor. Invent becomes inventor. Now for words like accountant or assistant, they usually end in ANT. Often we add ANT to a verb to make a job title. For example, assist becomes assistant. Attend becomes attendant. Words ending in IIN usually come from nouns that describe a field or a subject. Examples: from the word history, we get the word historian, a person who studies history. From the word library, we get the job name librarian, a person who works in a library. But not all words ending in this suffix are job names. Many describe people's nationalities. Here are some examples. Canadian is someone from Canada. Egyptian is someone from Egypt. Brazilian, someone from Brazil. The word vegetarian describes a person who doesn't eat meat, but the word pedestrian refers to a person walking on foot. Many IST words describe jobs or professions. For example, artist, someone who creates art. Scientist, someone who works in a science lab. Journalist, someone who works in journalism. Pianist, someone who plays the piano. That's all for today's video. If you'd like to do some practice, feel free to scan the QR code to get the worksheet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to receive more lessons in the future. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.